Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to do an October favorites. I know it's Halloween and I'm filming this the same day that it's going up, hopefully. But I decided that I want to share more of the things I love with you guys. I'm so scared of becoming one of those YouTube people who just makes an entire channel all about products that I almost don't want to share products I love with you guys, but I have a bunch of stuff that I have been enjoying a lot this month, and so I thought it was time to just share it. I know I shouldn't really make this motion, it's weird, but anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. We'll cover some clothing, so like fashion, beauty, jewelry, a podcast, yeah, lots of stuff. So if you've been around anywhere on any of my socials for the last month or so, you won't be surprised by this first fashion item, and that is my faux leather jacket from Pennington's. So I've seen a ton of good faux leather jackets. Just this is the one that was most accessible to me. I like it because it doesn't have a belt on the bottom, which a lot of them do. It also has these knit material panels so that you can get a really fitted look without like wearing out the seams of the leather or faux leather. It honestly is just my favorite. I did an entire video dedicated to outfits wearing this jacket with it, and I pretty much make any excuse to wear it now. I even layer it over like cardigans and sweatshirts and things like that, and I will put it with anything. If it's raining, I will wear this instead of a raincoat. It looks good all the time, pretty much with whatever you wear it with. I'm going to link in the cards, don't know which side, the leather jacket 5 ways video, so you guys can enjoy it too. I mean, just look at it. It's so good. I bought a 5X. So if you're looking in terms of sizing, when you watch that video or just looking at me, I fluctuate between a 5 and a 6X depending on the style of something. So this, I wanted a more fitted look, and so I got a 5X. Alright, this is another fashion item that I have been wearing pretty much constantly, and that is this beanie. The beanie is from Rebellious Clove, i.e. my brand. I made it. And I mean, you can get one too if you want. I have some for sale in my online store. Not this exact color. This, the one I have left of this color is in a store in Gananoque called Arts and Crafts Collective. Anyway, it's just a nice slouchy beanie if you don't feel like doing your hair, don't feel like washing your hair, it's cold. You know, maybe this is just part of your outfit. I don't know, it's nice and light. They're made from recycled maxi skirts. So my favorite jewelry item of October, probably September too, were these little huggy earrings. So they're super small, and these are the silver ones, but I bought a set of 4 for like $12.99 or something on Amazon, and so they just clip into your ear, like they go through your earring hole, and you can leave them on pretty much all the time because they don't get caught on anything. And they're super small, although the peg on it is quite large, so if you don't wear earrings a lot, they may hurt when you first put them in because they have to stretch out your earring hole. But once you've gotten through that, they're great. And I find that if I take them out for too long, the earring hole will like close right back up again to the normal size, and then I have to like re-stretch it. So I have been loving these little things. I will link them. And they came with gold, silver, black, and then a duochrome. Now on to the beauty items. So I have been testing out reusable cotton pads this month, and mine are from Boho and Hobo, and they come with this little wash bag. So you right now I have some ones that need to be washed in the bottom here. I'm not going to show you them because they're kind of gross looking once they've got makeup on them. These are made from an organic cotton, and they're super soft, so like they feel nice when you rub them on your face. There are some cotton pads, like not reusable ones, that they're scratchy because they use bad quality cotton. These are really soft, and you literally just, as you use them, you just put them in the bag, and then you tie this up when you are doing laundry, and you just pop it in like you would your delicates. And it's pretty awesome actually, because they're so big that I can clean my whole face with this. I just put some micellar water on it and go to town, or sometimes I'll use my Clinique like facial soap, like in the pump, and I'll just like scrub it all off, and it's great. This little guy here is an Invisibobble Slim, and it has changed my life. So if you've been around here a bit, you will have remembered, I don't know, from a favorites way back, I was talking about how I found these Invisibobbles. They're $10 for a pack of 3, and they're just hair elastics, but they're not just hair elastics, you know? This one, because it's like a slimmer and it's more coiled, it stays in my short hair so much better than the thicker ones, and I've pretty much only been using these since I got them, and not the bigger ones, which I have a whole bunch of. Now, the bigger ones are great if you don't want your hair to be up too tight. These ones like grip your hair and don't let go, and that is what I love. So these ones I use for like buns, or like tight ponytails. Like if I was going to put my hair back and I want a tight slick ponytail, this is what I would use this for, because the bigger ones, they don't stay in because they can't get tight enough. Anyway, I love them. Product number 1 is the Glossier Boy Brow. I love this stuff. I never used to do anything with my eyebrows. I would comb them when I put on makeup. Beyond that, nothing. But I have seriously enjoyed putting this stuff on. So I just like brush it through my eyebrows like you would, and then I brush it through on this one, and then when this one is drier, I go through with my spoolie wand and I just comb it out and sort of shape it the way I want. Because this is more of like a waxy texture, you can feel it. You can feel it in your eyebrows, but it's not too like constricting, and your eyebrows can still move around, but like they don't kind of go all over the place. Also, it adds texture and color to my eyebrows, which you guys have certainly noticed. Before, my eyebrows sort of just like faded in my head and they were barely noticeable at all. Now they really stand out from my face, which I'm quite enjoying. And my very last product that I want to share with you is this Glossier Super Glow Serum. Oh boy, am I addicted to this stuff. I haven't used that much because I'm pretty bad at doing my skincare, but this stuff makes my skin glow. I don't generally like to look sweaty. When people talk about glow, they, you know, all over like a sheen to their face. No, when I wear this, my skin is brighter, it feels better, it has a good texture. I love it. It's quite liquidy, so it's not like a typical serum texture, but I'm addicted. And I will be really sad when I run out, which won't be anytime soon, at least. Alright, final thing is a podcast. and it is the Making a Business podcast by Being Boss. So they have their main podcast, which is called Being Boss, and I think I talked about it when I was talking about, my self-care Sunday live stream. Yes, that's right. I was talking about the book and the podcast. Well, they have this separate podcast about making a business in terms of a maker business. So like, Emily makes things. She makes candles and sells products through her company, Almanac Supply Co. And first off, I love the company, but hearing the behind the scenes of everything and the struggles that I deal with every day that she's dealing with, and I am just very much enjoying it and hearing their strategy and things like that. I honestly am addicted, and even today's episode, I listened to it twice already, and I've gotten some tips and things I can do, and just like not feeling alone in the maker business and seeing the behind the scenes. It's been very nice. Alright, so that's everything for my October favorites. Everything will be linked in the description box below if it's still available. And if you have any questions or comments for me, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to like it, subscribe. I am excited for, the rest of the year and all the fun things that I'm going to be making, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!